Good morning, dear students. I am Mahesh Das Mahant, your English teacher. Today we are going to study exercise solutions of chapter 3, Wonderful Clams. So pay attention and watch carefully to understand the exercise solutions. Dear students, let's see. Match the columns to make complete sentences. Dear students, here we should match the columns. Okay, so let's. Dr. Abdul Kalam was a scientist and India's 11th president. Okay, dear students, Dr. Abdul Kalam was D scientist and 11th president. His full name was C. Abul Pakir Jainul-Abidin Abdul Kalam. Okay, he graduated in 1954. A number. Okay, in 1969 he joined the Indian Space Research Center. Okay, and Dr. Vikram Sarabhai had a great influence to Dr. Abdul Kalam. Dear students, I have explained you the matches in these chapters, so listen carefully. Okay, Dr. Abdul Kalam was a great scientist and India's 11th president. His full name was C. Abul Pakir Jainul-Abidin Abdul Kalam. He graduated in 1954 B. In 1969, he joined the Indian Space Research Organization. 5. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai had a great influence on Dr. Kalam. Okay, this is the matches. I think you have understood. Now we see some understanding words. Okay. Study these words and their meanings. Skip. Skip means to move lightly and quickly, making a small jump after each step. Okay. Now limp. Limp means to walk unevenly and slowly because of pain or injury in the foot or leg. Okay. This is called limp. Wade. To walk through water with difficulty means wade. Tiptoe. To walk on your toes with the heels of your foot lifted off the ground. Stroll. To walk for pleasure. This is called stroll. Okay. The words given above are always of moving or walking. Okay, dear students, now we see another page of exercise. So listen carefully. Page A number. Now use these words to replace walked in the following sentences. Dear students, we have to replace the walked from the original meaning of words. Okay, first one is, it was obvious that he was injured as he walked badly. Badly means there will be the student limped. 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 Okay. Now in second number, they walked around the park the whole morning. Here will be in place of walked, strolled. R-O-L-L, stroll. Okay, now in third number, the pond was deep, but they walked across holding their bags above their heads. In this sentence, there will be waded, W-A-D-E-D, waded. Okay. Now in fourth number, the little girl walked down the earth. There will be skipped, S-K-I-P-P-E-D, skipped. Okay. And number fifth, when the child fell asleep, the mother walked quietly out of the room. Here will be tiptoed. Tiptoed. Okay, dear students, there will be limped. Okay, strolled, waded, skipped, and tiptoed. Okay, this is the you can replace walked. Okay, and now we see fill in the blanks. So let's see. B. Complete the sentences choosing right words from the box. Okay, so dear students, you have to choose from the box to complete the sentence. First, the car blank to halt when a dog suddenly ran in front of it. In first number, here will be screeched. The students, you should write in one number, screeched. Okay, understood? Screeched. You should write screeched in one number. Okay. Now in second number, the bee blanks around me noisily. Second number, bee means buzzed. Okay, so you will write here second number in buzz. B-U-Z-Z-E-D, buzzed in second number. Okay. Now in third number, the horse blank its tail, trying to blank. Third number will be here switched, S-W-I-S-S-H-E-D, switched in third number. Okay. Now in fourth, the pizza was so hot that it blank. Fourth, sizzled. Fourth number will be sizzled. Okay, sizzled. And fifth, the child felt searched when the door blank opened the middle of the right. In fifth number will be creaked. What will be creaked? Dear students, these are the fill in the blanks you should understand. Okay, once again you should understood. In first number, screeched. Second number, buzzed. Third number, switched. And in fourth number, sizzled. In fifth number, creaked. Okay, I think you have understood this explanation. And now we see some another explanation. These are the explanation. We should, some rules are there in how to make plural nouns. Okay, numbers. In most cases, we simply add s at the end of the nouns to form their plurals. Okay, like house, houses, wire, wires. Okay, but for nouns that end in ch, sh, s, x, z, es. Okay, that nouns ending letter will be if ch. Okay, sh or s or x or z or okay, then we will add here es to make them plurals. Like this, bus, buses, watch, watches, box, boxes, quiz, quizzes, bus, buses, like this. Okay, now we see this exercise of number C. Okay, a number, choose the correct in another form. To form plural or most ending in O, then we will add here es. Okay, hero, heroes, tomato, tomatoes, like this. And we will see the choose the correct options to form complete these sentences. Okay, now first one, please wash those. Here will be dishes, that one, dishes. Okay, and second number, please loves peaches. Okay, second number will be peaches. I saw 3, second number, buffaloes. Okay, can you get some glasses? Fifth, Tina has many pudding. Here will be brushes. Okay, fifth, sixth, foxes. Foxes are cunning animals. Okay, and now seventh, she bought some more. Here will be mangoes. Eighth, I don't like these pens. Yes, these are the plural forms of this sentence. You should write in your copy. Okay, I think you have understood the explanation of this chapter. If you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitation. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.